This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the slide orientation in LibreOffice Impress. Let me jump over to Impress here. I have Impress opened up now. To change your slide orientation, by default your slides are probably in landscape mode, but you can change that by going up to the top up here, up to the Slide tab, click on Slide. Then you want to go down to where it says Slide Properties, and click on Slide Properties. Now in this little dialog box that opens up here, at the top you want to make sure you're on the Slide tab, and then down here, here is your orientation. By default it's probably set to Landscape, but you could toggle on Portrait to change it to Portrait. Up top here, you can change your format size by clicking this drop down if you want to change the size of the slide, the actual size. Down below it, you could set a custom slide size, width and height. Then you go down to the bottom and you click on OK. And as you can see, all of my slides, the orientation has been changed. That is how to change the slides orientation in LibreOffice Impress. Thanks for watching.